Hello, today I'm going to make a low carb lunch. Let me show you what I'm making. Calamari. It's very, very good. I had it before. This is how it looks. It's gonna be like a low carb recipe. I need an onion, capers, sun-dried tomatoes, 0 carb tortillas, and I'm gonna use a few eggs, feta cheese, I'm gonna slice it like this. Take it out. I'm gonna put my capers in here so I have them ready to spread them when I need them. That's about it. And also the sun-dried tomatoes. I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil. I'm not going to use all the onions, so I'm just gonna put a little bit. They should be done. I want to leave them a little bit crispy. That's how I like them. I'm gonna use again a little bit of olive oil. This low carb tortilla. Now I'm going to add some feta cheese. Try and spread it a little bit like this. I'm gonna add these onions that I just sauteed a few minutes ago. Spread it nicely. Now I'm gonna add the calamari. The sun-dried tomatoes, capers, just gonna mix the eggs with some salt and pepper. Pour it over. Just gonna cover it and let it cook for a few minutes. Let's check a little bit. Try and open this. Go underneath a little bit. And let's see how it looks. I left it for about 5 minutes on low heat. So this is how it looks. I know I want to flip it just halfway. So let me see if I can do it with this spoon. I'm gonna slice it. Thank you for watching. This is how it looks. Cooked really well. Please don't forget to subscribe and come visit my channel. Thank you again. Bye bye.